Meaning of high level.
High level.
High level.
High level.
High level. In general, the term high level refers to something that is abstract or conceptual as opposed to being low level or detailed. It often describes programming languages or software that is written in a way that is closer to natural language and more abstract than machine code. High-level programming languages are designed to make it easier for developers to write programs, as they can express what they want the program to do without having to worry about the details of how it will be executed. Overall, high-level can be seen as a simpler, more abstract approach to computing that prioritizes conceptual understanding over technical implementation.